feature allows users of an account to cluster a set of sensors because they are installed in the same facility. Once sensors are grouped together, an average temperature and average humidity reading for that facility is gotten from that group's overview page. Multiple users can be assigned to this group for a collective tracking of storage parameters. For instance, if you have 3 large cold rooms in a facility and 7 sensors are installed in each of these cold rooms, you can use the groups feature to section all 7 sensors in each cold room into 3 different groups to get the average temperature and humidity readings from each cold room. Other users on your account can also be assigned to some or all of these 3 cold rooms for efficient tracking. To get started, here's how to create a new group of devices on the software. From the left side menu bar of your dashboard page, click on the Groups option to switch to the Groups page. Here on the Groups page, you can see a list of the previously created groups on your account. To create a new group, click on the New Group button at the top right corner of the Groups page. Give your new group a name. Select the storage type, that is, the facility at which the sensors are installed. For the purpose of this video, I will click on the Others option. And then I specify my storage type by entering cold room into the space provided below. Next, I enter the capacity of my cold room as 4,500 square meters. Then, I enter my minimum and maximum temperature parameters as -12 degrees and -15 degrees Celsius respectively. Finally, before moving on to the next page, I enter the minimum and maximum humidity parameters as 40 and 65% respectively. On the next page, select the devices that you wish to cluster into a single group from your list of devices. Click on Next to go to the next page. Lastly, assign several users to the group from the list of users on the account for collective and efficient tracking of the group. Finally, click on the Create Group button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You have successfully created a new group of devices as well as assigned multiple users to the group.